Meet the Boost LED Face Mask, clinically proven to reduce wrinkles, control breakouts, and rejuvenate skin from within. This mask delivers 633 nanometers and 830 nanometers of red and near-infrared light therapy. These wavelengths are shown to improve not only skin health, but also mental well-being. I love using this mask in the morning or before bed to ease into sleep. You can use it 3 to 5 times a week for best results. Using the mask is simple. All I need is cleansed skin. For enhanced results from your LED facial, use the Boost Enzymatic Cleanser and Mask to deeply cleanse and smooth the skin for even light absorption. And then take 10 minutes for relaxation. The mask has an automatic timer that ensures the perfect treatment length for each session. To fight breakouts and redness, I use the Boost Cleanse and Recovery Spray. Its hero ingredient, hypochlorous acid, when combined with the Boost red and near-infrared wavelengths, becomes a potent anti-blemish solution. It provides a redness-reducing alternative to blue 415 nanometer light. And if I want to supercharge my LED facial, I'll apply the hydrating peptide serum under or after the LED. The serum smooths the surface of the skin while light plumps from within. And for those big occasions when I need an extra event-ready glow, I'll apply the Boost Hydrogel Face Mask and get a filter-like finish just after 10 minutes. And for a more top-to-toe LED treatment, I'll combine the face mask with the patch, bib, or collar.